XRP Ripple investors, prepare right now. With that said, hit the like button, subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction for the XRP Ripple price. This is DC trading. We have news to go over, and then we'll get into the technical analysis and price prediction for the XRP price. Let's get right into it. Yes, earlier today, Benzinga says August CPI reports is expected to reveal headline inflation at 3.6 year on year, which is a 0.4% jump from July. This is a warning to all investors, not just crypto investors, but stock investors, because if in fact this is true, we should expect a major crash in the stock market. And as a result, this will creep into the crypto market as well. As you guys know, in July, we got the CPI, or in August, actually, we got the CPI numbers for the month of July, and inflation did rise from 3% to 3.2%, and then core inflation went from 4.6 to 4.7%. So yes, in fact, in July, we did see inflation rise. Now it looks like in August, we're also going to see inflation continue to rise, which is not a good sign. Looking right here, what do we see? Oil prices did rise to 1% in August, which is a 9-month high. And this was caused because of Saudi Arabia joining BRICS Nation. Saudi Arabia currently uses the US dollar to sell oil, but now it looks like eventually in the near future, we're going to see Saudi Arabia instead use their local currency or use BRICS currency once they announce this new currency they plan to use in the near future. With that being said, America's downfall is here. The de-dollarization is very real. You guys need to wake up. This is not to scare anyone. This is just to get you guys prepared, because if you guys are prepared, you guys know what to do and you don't need the government's help. With that said, we do have CPI numbers that will be released next week, September 13th. It's going to tell us if, in fact, inflation will continue to rise in August. Based off Benzinga, they do believe inflation is going to rise 0.4% from July, which, if this is true, then we should expect Jerome Powell in the FOMC meeting, which is in 2 weeks, to be specific, September 19th or the 20th. We should expect Jerome Powell to announce more interest rate hikes in 2023, which, as a result, this is going to cause a lot of companies to go out of business. And that means jobs are in jeopardy. So we may be seeing unemployment rise in the wintertime. So be prepared, not scared. Taking a look over here at the XRP Ripple price, we can see on the weekly time frame, we have been forming 7 red candles, which is not a good sign. For you guys, it's not, but for me, because I'm a long-term investor, I am very happy because the current price of XRP is sitting around 50 cents. And we may see some more downfall for the XRP Ripple price, possibly to 44, 45 cents, depending on the CPI numbers that will be released September 13th. MACD indicator is telling us to sell on the weekly. If we take a look on the daily is telling us to buy, but take a look at the volume. It's super low. I'm not confident that XRP price will be able to pump to 55 cents, even after Ripple announced the second acquisition in 2023, which is Fortress Trust. They have now over 30 licenses in the United States, which is super bullish. Ripple keeps building. Even during this bear market, they're building. Just imagine in the bull run what XRP price will be doing. And this is why I'm super bullish. I'm excited that we may see some more downside for XRP. Because do you understand? If Jerome Powell continues to raise interest rates, that means we should expect a major correction in the stock market, which will creep into the crypto market. So if Bitcoin corrects to possibly 20,000, we're talking about a 15 to 20% dump. That means altcoins are going to follow because Bitcoin dominance is stuck around 50%, still very strong. And that means we should expect altcoins to dump 30 to 40%, which I'm super excited about. Taking a look right here at the S&P 500, what do we see? We have seen some correction from the S&P 500. I expect some more in the upcoming weeks based off the information that we have with oil prices rising, inflation expected to rise to 0.4%, as well as interest rates. Now, taking a look at the DXY, this is also not a good sign for the crypto market. We have seen the DXY gain some strength. It finally broke out of this descending line. It did not respect it, which means what? It means we should expect some red in the crypto market. If we take a look over here at the HTF liquidity, we can clearly see that the Bitcoin bears are in full control. They're super confident. We should expect some more downside. $25,000 is a key support area for the BTC price. If we take a look at the XRP price for the HTF liquidity, same with XRP. It is clear as day that XRP bears are in full control and the XRP bulls are nowhere to be found. They have no confidence. XRP will pump to 55 cents. I don't have confidence, which I'm happy about because we're getting these assets at a very cheap price. With that being said, my price prediction for this upcoming week is probably going to be 53 cents and below. Look at Benzinga. Benzinga says they expect inflation at 3.6%. This is not a good sign because that means there's a very good chance we should see Jerome Powell announce more interest rate hikes. Which means what? America is going to enter a major recession. Remember they told us we should expect a soft landing? No, we should expect a hard landing. Get ready, guys. I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to prepare for you. I'm here to prepare you guys because the government does not want you to prepare, because if you are prepared, you don't need their help. Wake up, America. We should expect a great shakeout, possibly by the end of September, heading into early October. This all starts with the FOMC meeting and the inflation numbers, which will be released next week. Stay tuned for that. With that said, hit the like button, subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction. This is DC Trading. If you made it this far, comment the number 2000. Peace.